Hello students, myself Shipra Hada from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Students, today we will continue chapter 10, that is money. So students, in previous video of this chapter we have seen the conversion of money and addition and subtraction of money. Okay, so today we are going to see how can we multiply the money and divide the money and some word problems also. So students, open page number 141 in your book, and now we are going to start exercise 10.3. This is part 2 of this chapter, and I am taking question number 1 of exercise 10.3, that is multiply. So here we have two numbers and the A part is 26 paisa, right, and we have to multiply this 26 paisa by 2. So how can we multiply the money? Very simple, जैसे हम simple multiply करते हैं, as it is we have to do here also. Okay, so I am taking A part 26 paise by 2. So first we will write this 26 paise, and now we'll multiply this 26 paise by 2. Now 2 6 are 12, so we'll write 2 here, 1 carry over, then 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. Now you can see what is the answer. The answer is 52. Now what I will write here, rupees or paise? We can see in question what is coming here, paise. So here also we have to put paise. What is the answer? The answer is 52 paise. Simple students. So in this way you can do rest of the questions also. Now I am taking question number 2 of this exercise, that is multiply and express the answer in rupees. Okay. So I am taking C part of question number 2. And in this part we have rupees 12.05 by 8. So here students we have to multiply rupees 12.05 by 8. Now what this dot showing here? It means 12 rupees and 5 paise. Okay, and together we can say rupees 12.05. Is it clear? So now I will write this first number here, 12.05. Now I will multiply this number by 8. So we'll write 8 here. Now we'll do simple multiplication. 8 5s are 40. Okay, so I will write 0 here, 4 here. Now 8 multiplied by 0. If we will multiply any number by 0, we'll get 0, and 0 plus 4 is 4. Now 8 2s are 16, carry over 1. 8 1s are 8 plus 1 is 9. So this is the simple multiplication which we have done here. Now we have to see this point. We can see this point is coming before 2 digits. 1, 2. In this question, this point is coming before 2 digits. So in answer also we have to put this point before 2 digits. So let me count the digits from one side. 1, 2. And after 2 digits, I will put a point here, 1, 2. Okay students? So in this way you can do the multiplication. Now what is the final answer? Rupees 96.40, or you can say rupees 96 and 40 paise. After dot, what this 40 is showing? 40 paise. Is it clear? So in this way you can do the multiplication. So now we will start exercise 10.4, and in this exercise we have to see division. Okay. So here we have two numbers and we have to divide these numbers. So how can we do division of money? Very simple, as we do simple division. जैसा simple division करते हैं ना, as it is we have to do in this exercise also. So I am taking A part of this exercise, that is rupees 482 by 2. So first we'll see this number 482. We have to divide this number by 2. So first we'll write this number 482 and 2 will write here. Okay. Now 2 2s are 4 and the remainder is 0. Now 8 will come down. Okay. And 2 4s are 8. Now again 8 minus 8 is 0. Now this 2 will come down and 2 1s are 2. Now what is the remainder? The remainder is 0 here. And what is the final answer? The final answer is 241, or we will say rupees 241. Okay, the final answer is rupees 241. So in this way you can do the simple division for doing division of money. Is it clear? So I am taking one more question of division, and I am taking E part of this question. E part of exercise 10.4. That is rupees 589 by 9. So again we have to write the first number here and we'll divide this number by 9. So now students, 5 is smaller than 9, so we have to take 2 digits, that is 58. Now as we know, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54 and 9 7s are 63. So now 7 times we are getting 63, that is greater than 58. So we have to take 6 times 54. So we'll write 6 here and 54 here. Now 8 minus 4 is 4, 5 minus 5 is 0. This 9 will come down and it will be 49. Okay. So now we have to take a number that is smaller than 49. Okay, क्योंकि 9 की table में 49 तो आता नहीं है. So now I am observing this number. 9 5s are 45. It means 5 times we are getting 45. Now 9 minus 5 is 4. Okay, and 4 minus 4 is 0. So now what we have to do here, students, in this type of division we have to put a dot in quotient. Remainder is 4, we are not able to divide it anymore, so now we have to put a dot. हम यहाँ क्या करेंगे, एक dot put करेंगे. Now this dot is coming here, it means we can take 0. इस dot का meaning क्या है? Now we can take 0 here. Okay, now this will be 40. So now we have to take a number in 9's table that is equals to 40 or less than 40. So we can see 9 4s are 36, because 5 times we are getting 45, that is greater than 40. So we have to take 4 times 36. Now 0 minus 6 not possible, we have to borrow 1. 10 minus 6 will be 4 and 3 minus 3 will be 0. Now again we can see it is not divisible by 9. So again what we have to do, again we have to take a 0. So now this time again we have to show a point here. No, now this time we will not show any point here, because the single point is showing we can take 0 here in this question. Okay, हम कितने भी 0 यहाँ ले सकते हैं. हमने यहाँ एक बार dot लगा दिया, again and again we will not put any dot here. Is it clear? So now we have to put 0 here. Again we have to take 4 times 36. Again the remainder will be 4. So what we are observing here, students, this question is this remainder 4 is coming again and again. Okay, so the final answer will be 65.44. Is it clear? हम इसको आगे solve नहीं करेंगे, because this 4 is coming again and again. So we have to put 65.44 and this is the final answer. Or we can say what is coming here, rupees. So in answer also we have to put rupees, or we will say now rupees 65.44, or in other words you can say rupees 65 and 44 paise. Is it clear? So in this way you can do division also. Thank you.